In a move to encourage and ensure that only vehicles with a valid fitness certificate runs on Indian road, the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways has came up with a new norm related to the fitness certificate. The norm says that in coming days, you have to paste the fitness certificate in front of your vehicle over this portion, and the fitness certificate, which should be in a blue backdrop with a yellow color font, should be clearly mentioning that when your fitness certificate is getting expired. The norms has been prepared by the ministry and soon it will brought into implementation. And if this is your vehicle, then you have to paste your fitness certificate over here so that the enforcing agencies, the government authorities, they can clearly see that by when your fitness certificate of the vehicle is getting expired. So this norm, currently the draft notification has been issued and public suggestion or the stakeholders suggestions has been invited, post which the government will issue a final notification and this new norm will be brought into implementation. Now the questions whether these sort of certificates will be issued by the government agencies or the people or the car owners, they have to pay for some extra fee for the same. Now these questions will be answered very soon by the government, but as of now government has clearly shown the way that this is going to be the direction, that to encourage the use of vehicles with a valid fitness certificate is going to be the direction, and for which the new norms will be soon brought into implementation.